Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about H2 burner for Bakers Pride Part L5114X. The H2 burner for Bakers Pride Part L5114X is a high-efficiency, stainless steel burner designed to provide superior heat distribution and long-lasting performance. This burner is designed to fit Bakers Pride ovens and griddles, and is made of durable stainless steel construction for maximum durability. The H2 burner features a unique design that provides even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, ensuring consistent results every time. The burner also features an adjustable air shutter that allows you to adjust the flame size for. This part fixes the following symptoms. This burner is designed to replace the existing burner in a Bakers Pride oven. It can help to improve the efficiency of the oven by providing a more even heat distribution and better temperature control. It can also help to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the oven. 2. Remove the existing burner and disconnect the gas line from it. 3. Install the new H2 burner, making sure that it is securely attached to the oven floor. 4. Connect the gas line to the new burner and turn on the gas supply. 5. Test for leaks by applying a soapy water solution to all connections and watching for bubbles. If any bubbles appear, tighten the connection until they stop forming. 6. Turn on all of the burners and check for proper flame height and color, blue. Adjust as necessary. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.